So namaste guys. I hope you all doing well, and we are on the night walk in the Manet campus. And yesterday we heard a very sad news that a guy coming from BTech third year, coming from a very good family, a well-to-do family, and studying in the BTech third year in the CSE department, and yeah, he used to score more than 9 CGPA, a brilliant mind, academically, financially also well off. He committed suicide, and it was very disturbing. It was saddening, and we don't know the reason yet because he didn't leave no suicide note. And the most saddening was the thing that barely a couple of months ago, a couple of weeks ago, another guy coming from, I think, Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh or Telangana maybe, committed suicide in the hostel of Manet. Both of them occupied the single room, and they hanged themselves from the fan, on the fan. So it is a very sad thing. It is a thing of immense concern for the administration, for the students fraternity, for the faculty, we the faculty members, the researchers, the professors, the government, the parents, the colleagues, and everybody whose stakes are there in this institute. For the society, it is a matter of big concern that why are students committing the suicide. And when we were researching about it, we got to know that over the last 66 months, there have been more than 66 suicides in the campuses of IITs and NITs only. These campuses are said to be the sanctuary of a brilliant minds, people coming from all over the India, scoring impressive marks. They come here, and why are they still choosing to do the suicide is a matter of big concern. So today, all the students were on the strike as a gesture to express the solidarity with the soul, passed away soul. They didn't join the classes, they didn't come out. In fact, yesterday they held a march, a candle march. But we as researchers, look at the EV life, how they are. So we as the researchers, we are supposed to inquire into what was the reason coming to Arpit bhai with us. Arpit ji, what would you like to share? Thank you so much. Arpit ji, would be so blessed if you can suggest us some measures. Before suggesting the measures, if you can tell us what could be the possible reasons keeping the two suicides recently took place in Manet in mind, in backdrop.
Has to do with the bad work-life balance that these technical institutes have.
Okay.
Like they don't balance activities like sports activities, some kind of seminars on mental health with the education that they're imparting.
Okay, nice. Plus, so they are too much into the technicals. They should keep the humanitarian aspects and mental, moral, psychological, that's spiritual aspects also.
Policy also talks about
the overall development. The Gandhian, focus on the development of both mind, body, and soul at the same time.
Plus,
true, very true.
When these BTech students or MTech students come into their second year or third, for BTech it is third year. From third year they start focusing on their placements. That becomes a big pressure. Some of they are responsible for financial well-being of their family because of the aspirations that fall upon them. That and my child has come to such a good institution. And in a few years he will be giving a financial support to the family and taking the family forward. So there should be one-on-one sessions with students. True. It is very difficult in such kind of institutions. True. Because of the huge crowd. But some kind of
counseling or
some kind of mental should be thought of. Plus in this campus I have seen in third and fourth year when the pressure is, I think, is at the peak. In their
because of the placement.
Because of the placement cycle is coming around. And various companies are coming and they are sitting in placement cycles. They should not be given single rooms. They should be shared.
So that a check is,
check is maintained. Students can check upon themselves.
They can discuss the things with
each
other.
They always have a person to talk about.
खाली
their mental
मन शैतान का घर
Yes.
a thought
So at
goes
least
on,
It
Yeah.
should be, the room should be double occupancy for
Okay.
the final year students, I think.
Okay,
This is also a big reason.
very nice suggestion. And apart from that, how much do you think the ragging play a role here?
Nothing.
How big a role?
No role of ragging.
Okay, okay,
I think ragging has been curtailed here.
okay. Now let us go to the first year students. They say that it is still very much there. But yeah, for
No,
these
but
third and fourth year students,
So, like,
there
we
could
see the
not be any.
hostels here.
Yeah.
Seniors are not allowed in the hostels,
Okay.
in the first year hostels.
Mhm.
So I don't think that if they are not allowed in the hostels, plus in the classroom teachers are present. in campus.
Okay. So ragging is not that big a issue. Rather, the emphasis of the institute should be on the overall development and some structural.
Plus, you are making them academically strong. They
Yes.
should also mental health and mental fatigue also should
Exactly, should be on the overall development, mental, physical. And one important suggestion that you gave that both of the one common thing between both the societies is that they both used to live in the single room.
single
So
occupancy.
nobody can see what's going in their mind in their room.
what-
There was a literally the
be what hanky panky they are doing inside the room.
exactly.
But
There's
if it
zero
would have been
interaction.
a shared room,
Yeah,
this could
people
have been
would have come
prevented.
to know about what's
this could have
going
been
on
prevented.
there. Yeah, exactly. No, even when I have lived in hostel, we all have lived in the hostel, and no matter how introvert we are, no matter how isolated we try to live, but in the night when we are going to sleep, we open our mouth and very naturally and organically, speak our mind out and share the thing with the colleague, with the roommate. It happens, and it gives us if the roommate is good, then it provides us a great sense of relief if he is understanding or at least listening to our
Plus, the conversation plays a big role.
big role. संवाद होना चाहिए, should be there.
Among students and teachers,
Yeah.
parents and their children. And
Yeah.
Among students, among
Since
students
parents
also.
are living far away, then at least within the students, some
within the
clubs and
students,
committees, some
There are
societies,
clubs
they
and
should be
committees,
made.
but their focus
Okay.
is on like events and management of events
Okay,
and organizing
okay.
of such events. Their focus is on not on
No,
individual.
what I feel is that some committee should be made from the administration side, whose role is to entertain such people, such students who are suffering from any sort of mental illness or trauma or any sort of
I
confusion,
think there are such committees.
depression.
There are such committees.
No,
There-
should be functional, should be
there-
trained. The
there
members
are-
should be trained.
There are seminars that are being organized in this
Seminar
very
is one-way
campus.
talk. What I am saying
And
is that two-way. There should be the two-way communication. No,
But the
student is
patient
coming
has to come with the come in front of the doctor. No,
exactly.
doctor
If the
cannot point
student-
out everyone.
True.
The initiative must be from
True.
the student side
So,
only.
the administration should be making such an atmosphere that the students feel comfortable in reaching out to them and approaching them. You will have to form such an environment now. You will
Plus,
have to give them the
In the age
assurance.
of in the age of Instagrams, in the age
Yes.
of reels,
Yes.
the education that was imparted to us by Bhagavad Gita and our religious texts.
Would you like to come in the front of the camera?
No.
Okay.
My voice is enough.
Oh yeah. It's very much enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, matlab the inculcation or incorporation of the spiritual education is very necessary apart from the structural reforms that he has
One idea
suggested.
mine is they should organize some sessions
I
which
personally
should be
would-
like mobile free,
Okay.
digital free, media free.
Okay,
Where they will
True.
they should
true. These are some
prioritize
long-term,
conversations.
Okay,
That students
these
should
are
converse among
some
themselves about
long-term
their
suggestions.
problems.
Yeah, some peripheral
I'll try.
measures. What I am basically saying is that what I feel is that there should be a committee of the professors who are trained, and they should very
There are-
cordially, very sympathetically, empathetically, and
They are
compassionately
empathetic. They are empathetic. They
entertain
are
the
compassionate.
students.
There are committees,
Okay,
but initiative
tell them-
should come from the student body
okay.
only.
That's what you feel. What I
Yes.
feel is should come from the administration. We
No,
can
no,
all
no,
have our
because
opinions. No, we can have
Administration
different.
is not the aggrieved body. Aggrieved body is the student. They will better understand their problems.
Okay.
And the initiative should come from students.
Okay. Well, it's been a very fruitful session. Though we have diverse opinions, but I think both of them are crucial. and I hope that the administration would take into account these two serious incidents and would make the policies accordingly so that no such incident take place in future. With this, expressing our deepest condolences and feelings with the grieved family. We wish that students attain good academic marks along with maintaining good mental health, and no such calamity, catastrophe, or whatever you call happens in the future. With this, Garvit Jain signing off. Jai Hind.